Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add Kick Chat to Streamlabs. For that, I have my Streamlabs open, as you can see, just like this. And for now, we will leave it like that because I need to go open my Kick. And now my Kick is open as well. And as you can see, I'm at my Kick live session board, the creator dashboard here. And when you're on your creator dashboard, go on to the chat here and just say pop out chat. When you pop out chat, it will give you a general link like this, and we want to copy that link like this. And when we copy that link, we will go into Streamlabs, and from Streamlabs we will go into sources, and from sources we will select browser sources. We will say add, it will be chat, add source. After that, the URL will be our Kick link we got from the website. So that way, when we close it, as you can see right now, we have our Kick chat fully integrated to our desktop. So if I just go back and maybe write something on my creative dashboard and my chat like this, and maybe like a welcome here and everything, since I'm the broadcaster. And if we go back to the chat here, yes, right now I can see all of my things here because it's fully open and fully inside my Streamlabs. And it is really that easy, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want other videos, tell us down in the comment section, but other than that, we hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.